I'm starting my circle check. First of all, my wheel is chopped and I'm going inside to turn off the light. So put the key in on position, give the left signal here. I'm going inside, turn the light on from here. Okay, starting from the front. Sir, starting from the top, you see my vent deflector looks good, sir, no damage. Both horn looks good, overall condition good. Sun visor, sir, sun visor looks good. All my clearance light is working on my sun visor. Both windshield attached properly, no damage, no chip, no rock, anything like that. Sir, my cross mirror and my flat mirror or big mirror looks good. Overall condition good, no nut and bolt missing. Sir, come to the hood, nicely painted, no scratch, no damage. Student driver sign present on my grill. Grill looks good, sir. And both sir, low beam light is working. Left marker light is working. So right marker light is working, sir. Left signal is working. I can show you my high beam after that. And come to the front bumper, sir. Bumper looks good, no nut and bolt missing on bumper. On my bumper, I have my license plate. It's clean, valid and secure. So right now, sir, we're in Alberta. We don't have the sticker. On the bottom, sir, there's no any leakage under my tractor. And fog light, sir, I can show you after. Sir, now starting from this side, sir, my cross mirror looks good. No damage to the cross mirror, no nut and bolt missing. Side, sir, hood is nicely painted. So latch is closed properly. And I already mentioned that tire under the hood inspection. Sir, starting from here, window glass good. CV sticker is valid, sir. Is 11/20/21. Sir, my flat mirror and convex mirror looks good. No damage, sir. And mirror attached properly. School sign is present, sir. Gross weight 46,500 kg and tear weight is 7,300 kg. Sir, door opening and closing good. Sir, picking up the hammer from here. Sir, there is no obstacle under my pedals, my clutch, my brake and accelerator. Sir, I have my three things inside: fire extensioner, emergency triangles, and first aid kit is present. Sir, rest I can mention during the in-cab inspection. Sir, left signal is working. Sir, my fuel tank cap is tied properly. Sir, no leakage in my fuel tank. Both straps, sir, the strap looks good, sir. No damage, sir. Nut and bolt is tied properly. And sir, footstep is good. There is no any leakage under my fuel tank. Sir, going back, starting from the back, sir, vent deflector looks good. Back window glass looks good, sir. Student driver sign is present. Sir, handle attached properly, no damage. Sir, my cross member and my frame looks good. There's no crack, no damage. Sir, both shock absorber and my airbag of my cab is good, sir. Sir, here my transmission and my drive shaft looks good, attached properly, sir. Sir, my battery box is good, cover is attached properly, no damage, sir. And my catwalk is present. Sir, both my air lines and my electric line is present, no damage. Sir, exhaust system is on this side. So now moving this side. Sir, starting from the top, my clearance light is working properly. Overall condition of my trailer front is good. Sir, trailer paperwork is here. My load paperwork is here. Sir, this is my dangerous goods play card. In case I have more than 500 kg, I can put the dangerous goods play card over there. Sir, both my glad hand is properly connected. My electric line is properly connected, no damage. Sir, both cross mirror going inside, sir. My torque arm and my differential looks good, no damage to my differential. Both airlines, sir, airline looks good, no crack. Sir, both brake chamber also looks good, no damage, sir. Sir, checking this side now. Sir, my shock absorber and my both U-bolts are connected properly. Nut and bolt is tied properly, sir. And sir, dust cover and my S-cam here. And slack adjuster also looks good, no damage, sir. Sir, rim, there's no rock between my drum and rim, sir. Sir, leaf spring and my leaf spring hanger looks good. Bushing also looks good, sir, no rock. Inside wall there is no chip, no rock, anything. Sir, my fender connected properly, no damage. Sir, now starting from this side, overall condition of my trailer looks good, sir. CV sticker is valid. 50% reflective tape present on my side of my trailer. Sir, sitting here, checking my fifth wheel, sir. My handle is locked properly, sir. No gap between my fifth wheel and my trailer open. Sir, sliding pin is locked properly. All my fifth wheel railing is properly connected. Sir, here my airbag and my leaf spring hanger and bushing looks good. Sir, come to the tire now. Sir, checking the air pressure. Sir, there's enough air pressure on my tire. Sir, tread depth is 1.6, more than 1.6, sir. Sir, inside there's no rock inside my tire. Rim is attached properly, sir. Sir, inside wall and outside wall is good. There's no cut, no bubble on my tire. Sir, rim condition is good. There's no crack, no damage to the rim, sir. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. And no missing, no loose, sir. And my axle nut is tied properly. No missing, no loose. Sir, and no seal leak, stem valve is present, sir. Cap is tied properly. Sir, checking this tire also. Sir, both tire, we have enough air pressure on my tire, sir. And inside and outside wall of my tire is good, sir. There's no rock between my tires, sir. Rim is attached properly. Sir, inside and outside wall is good, sir. There's no cut, no bubble in my tire. And sir, rim condition looks good. There's no crack on my rim. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. And no missing, sir. No loose. Axle nut is also tight, sir. Checking properly. And sir, no seal leak, stem valve is present on both tires, sir. Sir, now going under. Sir, my mud flap hanger is good, sir. Reflective tape is present, sir. Mud flap is good. Sir, going under, sir. Checking my fifth wheel over there. Fifth wheel is locked properly, sir. My torque arm and my differential looks good, sir. No leakage, no any damage from my torque arm. Sir, both my frame and my cross member looks good. Sir, my pintle hitch is locked properly, no damage, sir. Both airbag fully inflated, no leakage, no damage. Sir, reflective is present, sir. Left signal is working, sir. Right tail light is working. Sir, my backup light when I'm backing up, sir, then is working. Sir, my license plate light is working. Sir, we are in Alberta, so we don't need the license plate on the back. Sir, right side also, sir. My mud flap and my mud flap is good, sir. No damage. Sir, my dust cover and drum looks good here. Both airbag is good, sir. Inside tire wall is good. Sir, checking my trailer floor. Trailer floor looks good, my sir. And cross member all on my trailer also looks good. No damage. Sir, moving this side now. Sir, my air lines and my electrical line all the way is connected properly. Hanging properly, sir. Now checking my dolly frame, sir. No nut and bolt missing here. Connected properly, sir. This side also and this side. And dolly frame is good, sir. Sir, no damage. So getting out now. Sir, dolly frame is up condition and handle is in the rest position, sir. No damage. Again, sir, my side wall on my trailer is good. Reflector, sir. This is dangerous goods play card. In case I have more than 500 kg, I can using the dangerous goods play card each side of the trailer. Sir, right signal, left signal is working, sir. Going inside again. Sir, sliding pin, handle and handle is lock position. Sir, sliding pin is locked properly. Sir, my airline is 18 inch above from the ground, sir. Overall condition is good. Sir, checking my trailer tank. Sir, my trailer tank is good condition, no leakage, sir. Both airlines and my brake chamber, sir, looks good, no damage. Sir, front trailer axle looks good, sir. Checking both U-bolt, nut and bolt is tied properly, sir. Both leaf spring, sir, and my bushing looks good. Sir, leaf spring hanger is also good, no damage, sir. So this side also, my leaf spring and my bushing looks good. Both U-bolt and connected properly, sir. Sir, dust cover on both sides looks good. The drum is good, sir. No rock between my drum and rim. Sir, both side inside wall on my tire is good. So now checking this side, sir. Sir, we have enough air pressure on my tire. Sir, no rock between the tire and rim is attached properly, sir. Sir, tread depth is more than 1.6. Sir, now checking my outside wall. Sir, there is no damage to my outside wall. There is no bubble, no cut in my tire. Sir, checking the rim condition. Rim condition is good, sir. There is no crack in damage, sir. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. No missing, sir. Sir, my hub nut is tied properly. My hobometer is good here. Sir, and there is no any seal leak, sir. Stem valve is present on both tires. Sir, I'm checking this tire now. My leaf spring hanger looks good, sir. No damage, no nut and bolt missing, sir. And checking the air pressure. Sir, I have enough air pressure on my tire. Sir, tread depth is more than 1.6, sir. Sir, again checking, sir. There's no rock between my tire and rim is attached properly. Sir, inside and outside wall is good, sir. There's no bubble, no cut in my tire. Sir, my rim condition good, sir. There's no damage to my rim. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. No missing and no loose, sir. Hub axle nut is also tight, sir. And enough hub wall, sir. No seal leak. Stem valve present on both tires, sir. Good, sir. Sir, now going under. Sir, my mud flap hanger and my mud flap is good, sir. No damage. Sir, again my sliding pin here, sir. Sliding pin is locked, sir. Handle is in the rest position. Sir, checking again under here. Sir, on the back axle, my both leaf spring here was good, sir. Both U-bolt. Sir, U-bolt connected properly. No nut and bolt missing. Sir, airlines and the brake chamber looks good. Sir, back axle is good, sir. My S-cam both side condition good, sir. And my slack just looks good. Sir, push rod is good, sir. No band quarter pin is present here. Sir, now dust cover and the drum is good on this side and dust cover drum is good, sir. There's no rock. Sir, inside wall is good on my both tire. Sir, again checking my trailer floor. Trailer floor looks good, sir. All my cross member looks good, sir. No damage. Sir, my electrical line is present, connected properly. So on the back, my bumper looks good, sir. Getting out now. Sir, my marker light is good, sir. Working properly. Sir, checking from the back. Sir, all my clearance light is working on the top. Sir, trailer door condition is good, sir. School sign is present, sir. Student driver sign is present. So this is again Dangerous Goods play card. In case more than again 500 kg, I can put each side of the play card. Sir, my door is locked properly. Handle is locked, sir. Sir, in case my trailer is loaded, sir, right now my trailer is empty. In case my trailer is loaded, sir, it's a driver responsibility. So I can make sure my load is secure properly, sir. Sir, my bumper condition is good. 100% reflective tape is present. No nut and bolt missing. Sir, you see left signal is working and right tail light is working. Also, sir, my license plate is clean, valid and secure. And I'm checking my license plate light also. Sir, light is also working. Sir, now, sir, I'm going to the front. Change the signal from left to the right, sir. And same time, sir, I can show you my brake light. Putting my hammer here, sir. Opening my door here, sir. And sir, we invent this item, sir, so we can put this one on the my brake light. So now change the right signal and same time I can show you my high beam also. Okay, sir, you see now my brake light is working also. My right signal screwed up, sir. I gonna 1 second. Okay, sir, you see my right signal is working properly. Sir, marker light is working properly. Now I'm starting this side. Sir, overall condition of my trailer looks good. Reflective tape is present properly. So I'm checking this side. Tire. Sir, I have enough air pressure on my tire. Sir, tread depth is more than 1.6, sir. Sir, no rock between my tire. Rim is attached properly, sir. Sir, inside and outside wall of my tire is good. There's no cut, no bubble, sir. Rim condition good, sir. All my lug nut is tied properly. And sir, no missing. Hub nut is also tight, sir. And no missing, sir. Enough hub oil. Stem valve is present on both tires. Sir, overall condition my cross member and my frame is good, sir. Sliding pin is locked again over there, sir. Suspension hanger looks good, sir. So checking this tire. Sir, again we have enough air pressure on my tire, sir. And tread is more than 1.6, sir. Sir, no rock between my tire. Rim is attached proper, sir. Inside and outside wall of my tire is good, sir. No damage in my tire. Sir, rim condition is good, sir. No crack on my rim. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. No missing, sir. And hub nut is also tight, sir. Enough hub oil, sir. No seal leaks, sir. Stem valve is present on both tire. Okay, sir. Now I already mentioned everything is over there. Condition good, sir. Right signal is working. Dangerous goods play card, sir. If I more than 500 kg, I can put play card. Sir, my dolly frame is up. Right signal is working, sir. Mud flap is good, sir. Hanger is good. Airbag is full, sir. Now I'm checking this side. Tires are again. Sir, enough air pressure on my tire. Tread is more than 1.6, sir. Sir, rim is attached properly. No rock between my tire. Sir, inside and outside tire wall is good, sir. There's no bubble, no cut, sir. All my rim is good, sir. There's no crack, no damage on my rim. All my axle nut is tied properly, sir. Lug nut is tied properly, sir. No damage, sir. And my axle nut is tied properly. No missing, no leakage, no damage, sir. Sir, stem valve is present on both tires. Sir, checking this tire now. Sir, again, enough air pressure on my tire. Sir, tread depth is more than 1.6, sir. Sir, rim is attached properly. No rock, anything, no damage, sir. Sir, inside tire wall and outside tire wall is good, sir. No bubble, no cut, sir. And rim condition good, sir. No damage. All my lug nut is tied properly, sir. No missing, sir. And my axle nut is also tied properly. No missing, sir. No seal leaks, sir. Stem valve is present. Sir, again, sir, this side also I'm checking my fifth wheel, sir. Railing is good. Sliding pin is locked properly. Checking my airbag and my leaf spring hanger and bushing looks good, sir. Shock absorber also, sir. Nut and bolt is tied properly. Sir, my fender condition is good. No damage to my fender, sir. Nut is tied properly. Sir, I already mentioned everything. My frame and my cross member looks good, sir. I'm checking this side tank, sir. And my exhaust system, sir. Muffler looks good, sir. Handle is locked properly. No smoke leak, no damage, sir. Both again, sir, my strap on my fuel tank. Both, no nut and bolt missing, sir. Right signal is working. No leakage from the fuel tank. Both step is looks good. Sir, fuel tank cap is tied properly. No missing, no damage, sir. And doors are opening and closing good. Sir, window glass is good, sir. Side mirror is good, sir. Spool sign is present. Sir, flat mirror and convex mirror looks good, sir. Handle is connected properly. Sir, my hood latch is closed properly. And hood condition is good, sir. I already mentioned the tire during under the hood inspection. Sir, my fourth cross mirror looks good. Sir, now, so I already changed the low beam to high beam. Sir, both see my right signal is working, sir. Both my high beam is working, sir. And left marker is working. Sir, now I'm going to the front and inside and change the both show you my hazard light, my four-way flasher. Sir, when I go here, I can cancel the signal here and remove the brake light. And sir, my pulling with this one out, my four-way is working and I turn on my fog light also. Sir, my fog light is working. One is out. Sir, you see front, both four-way is working. One more round, sir, with me. And you see, sir, my four-way here working. Signal is working. Sir, my four-way working on my tractor. And sir, my trailer working properly. And you see, sir, my four-way working proper on my trailer. And one more round, sir, my four-way. So my circle check is done.